Want to supercharge your business by seamlessly hooking up Gohighlevel, Retell, and N8n, and watching your conversions skyrocket? First, ensure you have active accounts with Gohighlevel, Retell, and N8n. Log into your Gohighlevel account. We're going to start by setting up a trigger. This will be the starting point for our automation. Common triggers include form submissions, appointment bookings, or contact tag additions, but we'll work with form submissions. Now, in your Retell account, you'll need to either create a new voice bot or select an existing one. Retell handles the voice and text message conversations, and this is where you will get your leads from. Make sure you've configured your Retell bot to capture the information needed. Next, head over to N8n. In N8n, we will create our workflow and click New Workflow. You'll begin by using the Webhook node, which acts as the listener for data coming from Gohighlevel. This is like an open door to receive information. Configure this node to receive data from your GHL trigger. Back in Gohighlevel, you'll connect your form submission to your N8n webhook. Once that is done, you'll map GHL data to the specific fields you want, like the lead's name, email, and phone number to Retell. Now that we've connected the trigger to N8n through the webhook, now we integrate Retell within N8n at the Retell node and authorize it with your API keys. Then in the Retell node, you integrate the data from the previous GHL fields to the bot. This configuration allows you to send the information captured by the lead to Retell through the webhook request. After configuring the nodes, test the workflow. Submit a test form in GHL. Watch as the data flows through N8n and verify it is working correctly. This is the most crucial part. And there you have it, a fully integrated system connecting Gohighlevel, Retell, and N8n. Automate your sales, improve follow-up, and see those conversions rise. Remember to save your workflow and activate it in N8n. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more business automation tips.